In this video, I will walk you through how to install and set up Gurobi on macOS. To start, download the Gurobi Optimizer package. To do so, navigate to gurobi.com in a web browser, then select Downloads and Licenses in the navigation bar and click Gurobi Software. After accepting the EULA, we will see a page with all of the different Gurobi packages on it. We will download the macOS Universal 2 Gurobi Optimizer package. Once the package finishes downloading, open it and click through the installer to install Gurobi version 11. Gurobi Optimizer is now installed. The next step is to set up a Gurobi license file on our machine. I'll assume you already have a Gurobi license in your account. If you are an academic user, you can request an academic license on the Gurobi for Academics webpage. To see your licenses, click My Account on the home page. This will take you to the Gurobi portal. Here, click Licenses, then find the ID of the license you would like to set up on your Mac. We are going to click Install. However, I would like to note that if you are setting up a WLS license, you will instead click a button that says Open, which will take you to our License Manager, where you can set up an API key and download a license file for your WLS license. After clicking Install, copy this special GRB git key command that appears in the dialog box. Next, open a terminal window. You can find the terminal app via Spotlight Search. Paste the GRB git key command you just copied into the terminal window and hit Enter. If you are trying to set up a license file for an academic license, this GRB git key command will only work if you are connected to your university's network. You can do so either on site at the university or by using a VPN connection that routes all internet traffic through the university network. Hit Enter to save the gurobi.lig license file in the default location. The last step is to test our Gurobi installation. We will do this by running Gurobi CL, the Gurobi command line tool. In this same terminal window, type Gurobi_CL and hit Enter. We do not see any errors, which indicates Gurobi is properly installed and successfully located our Gurobi.lig license file. We can use the Gurobi command line tool to solve one of the example models that's included in the Gurobi installation. And this too was successful. Thanks so much for watching and happy optimizing.